something I'm really thankful for is that I don't like to leave my house much. So Deliveroo, Uber Eats, all those apps, they're so helpful.
I need to do this on my phone because they'll be like, and they know what they send you on Friday nights. They'll be like, 25% off, 25% off. Or like, don't forget your order, and I'm like, go on then, and I'll just do it. And I'm like, yeah, but I get you. I'm like to my core.
They tempt you.
I know.
So, but do you guys know how to cook before going to uni or anything?
I would like to think so, but my skills have improved.
Oh yeah, you were saying.
I think so. So I think like when you're at home, obviously you can cook, but you don't have to cook. It's just like, I'll eat what's on the table. You know what
exactly.
I mean?
Yeah.
When you come to uni, it's like, there's nothing on the table. So
what are you gonna do?
Yeah. What about you guys? You think your skills?
I used to be able to make one thing. Now I can make three.
Okay,
that's
a
good.
good improvement.
Well,
you know?
They're both. Two of them are variations of pasta, and then one is just tuna rice.
Oh, okay.
The thing is, if you can sustain yourself on that,
It works.
you're not looking for the 100. It's just you yourself. Yeah.